Portable camping chair with nylon mesh fabric panels for cooling ventilation, stylish blue color. Beverage-cooler pouch, hangs from armrest, holds up to 4 12-ounce cans. Built-in cup holder for holding an open beverage. Side storage pocket for sunscreen, binoculars or personal items. Heavy-duty steel frame provides reliable strength. Compact, collapsible chair folds up to fit inside most car trunks. Dimensions: 34 by 20 by 36 inches. Carry bag with shoulder strap included for easy transport and storage. Top reviews from the United States. Comfort for uncomfortable events. This picture depicts the chair in its natural habitat, the sidelines of a soccer game. The awesome cooler and side pocket will distract other parents when you accidentally cheer for the wrong team, turning their judgment into admiration. It's also easy to fold and very lightweight. Theoretically, a kid could carry it, but probably won't. In any case, it won't slow you down as you try to keep said child safe on the way back to the car as they dribble the ball aimlessly through traffic. Asterisk note. Attractive blue color matches child's uniform exactly, so small children may disappear magically. Whether this is a pro or con depends on you.